Hi, my name is Kristen Mitchell. I currently live in Kansas City, Missouri. However, I was born and raised in South Florida. I earned my bachelor's degree in elementary education from Florida State University, go Seminoles, and I earned my MED in guidance and counseling from Bowie State University. I'm currently employed with the Park Hill School District. I teach first grade. My interests and hobbies include traveling pre-COVID, reading, and spending time with my family. I have 3 boys. One thing that's unique about me is that we are a military family. My husband's been on active duty in the Army for over 22 years. We have lived in 6 states and overseas and have moved 9 or 10 times. Most recently, we moved here from New York. We lived on the campus of West Point, where my husband was an instructor in the math department. My future plans and goals, quite honestly, moving around the last 20 years, my goals were always just to obtain a teaching position wherever we lived. And so it's nice to be settled down here in the Kansas City area. And since we plan to stay for a while, I feel like I can look more long term. So short term would be to finish this degree. Long term would be to possibly transition into a counseling position or an administrative position. Regardless, I would like to stay in the Park Hill District. I look forward to seeing your videos and working with you guys in this course. Thanks.